Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I got another review for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay. So as you can see, these are the Sacai Vaporwaffle, and these are very nice. This is the new silhouette from Sacai with the collaboration with Nike. Let's start with the bottom. As you can see, it has some very nice like a waffle sole, all in black. Then you've got how many soles? You've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a lot of soles, a lot of Ugandan soles. Then you've got the front, and you got the 2 ticks, you got the mesh, you got the bit of leather, and you got the baba lips. I like the design. You look like a fish. You see the eyes and the baba lips. It looks like a fish. And also this match my hand color. I like it. And then you got the back with the little tick and the little Sacai writing, branding, the insole, the 2 ticks, and then you have the double lace with the mesh, and then the other side with just the red tick and the two laces. And you see the double tongue. You got 1 tongue and then 1 tongue here. It says Nike and then Nike Sacai. Yes, this is a very nice shoe. Comes with some extra laces in the box. You know, last year one of the sneakers of the year was the Sacai waffles, and these are the Vaporwaffles. This is how they look in the front. As you can see, very nice shape. I highly like these shoes. These are crazy now. You have to pay resale. You can't get them retail anymore because they have sold out, and now unfortunately you have to pay the resale, which is quite expensive at the moment. I believe they are like about £470, which is a lot of Ugandan dollars, and the retailer these were around 160, I believe. Let me check my receipt. Yeah, around 160. I won this in a raffle from Dover Street Market, which is like a market shop here in the UK. So that's where I won this one from. And yes, so unfortunately now you would have to pay the resale if you want these one, and the resale is very high. So yes, good luck if you want these ones, but I will highly recommend it. They have another colorway, which is the black one. I did not get that one. And they have 2 other colorway, with like a Brazilian one and like a purple one, and I did not get this. This one was my favorite one, so I got this one. Yeah, as always guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe. I'm going to make more reviews, and as always, believe. Oh, wait 1 second. I forgot to give you a on-hand look. So if you put your hand inside, this is how you will look if you are walking with this. As you can see, I don't have the budget to do a on feet, but as you can see, if you wear blue socks and then some black trousers, this is how you will look. Very nice. Okay guys, now as always, if you like what you see, please subscribe, follow me along on everything, and as always, believe.